Google is phasing out their Google Play Music service to make the switch to YouTube Music. Luckily, it's easy to make the switch. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your library from Google Play Music to YouTube Music. Now let's get started. If you haven't yet, you'll need to download the YouTube Music app on your device. You can download it for free from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android devices. Log into YouTube Music using the same Google account you use for Google Play Music. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Scroll down and tap Transfer from Google Play Music. Again, tap Transfer from Google Play Music. Now tap Start Transfer. The transfer process may take a while to complete. Your music recommendations, liked and disliked songs, uploads, and purchases will all get transferred from your Play Music profile to YouTube Music. You'll be notified once your transfer is complete. That's all it takes to transfer your music library from Google Play to YouTube Music. Be sure to check out our guide to using YouTube Music next. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.